Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is another Zippo video, and if you remember one of my previous video, you may have seen this very heavily used Zippo lighter of the BF-Goodrich company, which the date stamp has become quite worn out and hardly discernible. Now today's video is going to be quite interesting, is because I have brought along another Zippo lighter, and yet the special thing is that this Zippo lighter is the brand new counterpart of this. I think this is going to be quite interesting, so let's get on with it and have a look at both. I feel pretty certain that it does not occur frequently to find a pair of identical Zippo lighters yet of a contrasting state of use. Having a look at this piece in the box that has the identical logo, it is likewise of a brushed chrome finish. Taking a closer look, looking at the bottom stem, you can see one dot at the left side next to the letter Z. And here is a bottom stem which is discernible and which tells me that it's made in the year of 1965. This is a brand new piece, mint in the box, unfired. However, at the back, it suffers from some pitting corrosions, quite probably due to prolonged period of storage in the moist surroundings, or perhaps maybe the box was slightly moist during the time of storage. Nonetheless, this is still a very great piece to have, and it is even greater to make as a contrast with this heavily used lighter that had seen a lot of that might have seen a lot of time in the past. I believe that both this lighter would have been made in the similar period, although the year of this is not very certain. So this is what really intrigues me. Having two identical lighters, one that has been sitting in its box, not being used throughout the same period of time, the similar number of years as the other one that had been carried by someone and being used to such a state. That's quite fascinating, I think. Taking another look again, both being identical, carrying the same company's logo. And also have a closer look at the intact paint-filled emblem when it came out brand new. Whereas this, at some point of time, it was also brand new, and in its early days it would have looked like this too. Just look at the degree of wear and tear on this. The paint filled artwork has pretty much gone. And what I like about these vintage Zippo lighters and emblem is that each and every one of those had been silk screen and acid etched. So even after the thick feeling of enamel had fallen off, this is still what's left. And hence that's what I like about vintage Zippo lighters with the acid etched silk screen and paint filled workmanship. Taking a good look at the new one, appreciating how it has been coming out from the factory. On the other hand, this has its unique beauty. The beauty of use and holding up despite whatever circumstances it might have been through. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed watching this comparison and feel intrigued by this contrast, as fascinated as I am. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for upcoming videos of Zippo lighters to come. And as always guys, stay safe and have a great one.